Historically, large data centers have been housed in cooler climates. Think Iceland, Scandinavia, and the northern regions in the United States. The logic is simple. Cold air provides free cooling. Less energy spent on temperature control means lower operating cost and better efficiency. Malaysia, however, cannot offer naturally low temperatures. Sitting close to the equator, it experiences average temperatures of between 25 and 35 degrees Celsius throughout the year. For data centers, this poses an obvious challenge: how to keep thousands of servers cool every hour of every day. But Malaysia's data center sector is growing rapidly. As of April 2026, there were approximately 54 operational data centers in the country, with another 58 in the pipeline. The market is projected to grow from $6.14 billion in 2025 to $11.4 billion by 2031. But can data centers genuinely thrive in Malaysia's tropical climate? In countries that experience seasonal changes, data center engineers must design for a wide thermal range, with heat waves testing cooling systems to their limits. For much of the rest of the year, however, that same infrastructure runs well below its design load. In Malaysia, temperatures shift within a much smaller band. That allows cooling infrastructure to be designed for more constant conditions instead of extreme seasonal swings. Cooling systems that run close to their design operating point year-round perform more efficiently than systems that have to cycle between underload and peak demand. Data center energy procurement, maintenance scheduling, and performance modeling all become easier when operators know roughly what conditions their facility will face every day. So while Malaysia may not offer free cooling, it offers fewer surprises. Malaysia also boasts another advantage: geography. Peninsular Malaysia is not as earthquake-prone as competing markets like Japan or the Philippines and has no active volcanoes. For operators, this is an assurance that their infrastructure can run without interruption. But while consistent temperatures and low disaster risk make Malaysia an attractive location, water and energy become pressure points to ensure that servers stay cool. A spokesperson from Bridge Data Centers puts it plainly: water plays a critical role in data center operations, especially in warmer tropical regions. So, how do Malaysian data centers address those pressure points? ZData Technologies, for instance, has commissioned a treatment plant in Gelang Patah. Its facility, which runs entirely on treated water from dedicated on-site treatment plants, has been awarded the Malaysia Green Data Center Recycled Water Certification. Yo Yong Huang, Director of Computility Technology, a subsidiary of ZData, assures that ZData's data center operations will have no direct impact on Johor's domestic water supply, meaning it will not compete at all with household water. Bridge Data Centers is taking a similar approach at its Ulu Tiram campus that repurposes treated water from a nearby Indah Water Consortium facility using membrane bioreactor and reverse osmosis technologies. The facility has been operational since 2025. On the energy front, Malaysia has created a formal pathway for data center operators to source renewable electricity through Tenaga Nasional's Corporate Renewable Energy Supply Scheme. Beginning 2028, ZData will secure approximately 630,000 megawatt-hour of solar energy from 2 local solar farms annually under a long-term supply agreement. Separately, Bridge Data Centers says that under the current arrangement, more than half of the energy powering its Malaysian facilities is solar generated. So can data centers thrive in the tropics? The engineering responses in Johor suggest the answer is yes. By using reclaimed water, harnessing renewable energy, and designing around Malaysia's constant climate instead of fighting it. Malaysia may not seem the most obvious place to build the region's digital infrastructure. But if operators can solve the twin challenges of water and energy, the tropics may turn out to be less of an obstacle than the industry once assumed. I'm Ninjaria. FNT.